breaking news off the top this morning. The arrest of WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange. Pierre Thomas is in Washington, and Jim Shudo is in London this morning. Jim, I know you've been working developments overnight. What do we know about the arrest?
Well, David, he is finally out of hiding. Assange was arrested just over 2 hours ago at a London police station by arrangement with his lawyers, and that arrest warrant from Sweden lists 4 counts, 1 of rape, 1 of unlawful coercion, and 2 counts of sexual molestation alleged to have taken place in Sweden in August this year. A short time from now, he will appear before that magistrate's court, where a judge will decide whether the allegations justify extradition to Sweden. His lawyer telling us a short time ago that Assange is, quote, eager to vindicate himself and to clear his name. WikiLeaks also telling us this morning that this will not stop the release of these leaked documents, and they will continue to run their operations from here in the UK and from other countries. David?
And Jim, we know Julian Assange has claimed that these charges were trumped up in retaliation for the cable leaks, but is there any evidence that that's actually the case?
Well, the charges relate to allegations from 2 women in Sweden who say that they had consensual sex with him, which became non-consensual. That's the basis of the allegations. Assange's supporters say both the charges and the arrest warrant are trumped up. They say that normally an international arrest warrant wouldn't be issued for allegations. It would have to be issued for charges, and no charges have been filed yet.
I want to bring in our senior justice correspondent, Pierre Thomas, also following this. And Pierre, we know the Justice Department has said it has a very serious ongoing investigation. But is there anything here that will help the U.S. in its case?
Well, David, put it this way. U.S. officials are not unhappy that Mr. Assange is facing these legal troubles in Europe. But the Justice Department is going along a separate track. What they are trying to find out is, have they found all the people responsible for these leaks? They want to prosecute them all. And they're looking at the possibility that they could charge WikiLeaks with some sort of criminal violation. But that's a big question, because is WikiLeaks a journalistic outfit? They've never charged such institutions before, like the press, so that is a big question going forward.
And Jim, you've been reporting for days now on this so-called doomsday plan, this apparent password that's 256 characters long that would unleash all of the documents. With heat increasing on Julian Assange, is there any concern this morning that that could, in fact, play out?
Well, WikiLeaks has been intentionally opaque on this. I've asked them repeatedly, and they said they don't comment on security matters. But our best assessment, always difficult with WikiLeaks, is that the poison pill will only come if WikiLeaks itself is shut down, or if Assange is physically harmed in any way, or, and it's always possible, if the prosecution takes a turn they don't like.
All right, Jim Shudo and Pierre Thomas starting us off this morning. Thanks to you both, gentlemen. Thanks.